Your life is built around three principles. It's built around a love for God, your faith in God, and your surrender of life to Him. As Christ is going to become the central part of your relationship will flourish. I would say your primary love ought to be for Him, not to one another. If you get that in order, your love for each other will grow in great proportion. That's what's needed for a marriage. Marriage works best and it's blessed most when love for God is first, and then comes your love for one another.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do.
Abe noted, Carly, that you're gorgeous. He was drawn to your hair, he was drawn to your green eyes. He was drawn to you as a person, but he also recognized that you've got a soft heart, a tenderness about you. And you loved your family, and you loved other people as well. And that connected with him. Of course, Abe, Carly saw you as the perfect height. We're going to say you're tall, dark, and handsome.
Yeah.
She said he was the perfect height,
that.
a good tan, and a handsome in appearance look as well. But she also learned that you had quick care and compassion and affection for other people. And that's really what drew her to you, that quick smile and that quick embrace that you gave her that night, and a longing that she wanted to know you more. Now, by the virtue and the authority that is given to me as a minister of the gospel of Jesus Christ in the state of Alabama, in the presence of God and these witnesses, I now pronounce you to be husband and wife. Abe, you may kiss your bride.
It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight. I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless. You already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello. just did something to me, and I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless, yeah, baby. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. You're standing there in that dress. Girl, it ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do.